Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Dinesh Sharma, your teacher of subject English. And today we will discuss about exam pattern for class 11th and 12th. So here is the exam pattern for 11th and 12th class. First of all, there will be section A and it will be based on reading part. In the very beginning, there will be a reading comprehension for 12 marks. After that, there will be a question based on note making. It will be for 8 marks. So overall section A, it will be for 20 marks. Then we will have section B and it will be there for 30 marks. It will be based on writing skills. So some parts are there for this writing skills. First of all, we will have notice, advertisement and poster making. Then we will have letter writing. After that, we will have debate writing, speech writing, article writing or report writing. So our section B will be for 30 marks. Then last and final part will be section C. It will be based on literature. 2 books we have there. So it will be based on literature and it will be there for 30 marks. So from these 3 topics, today we are going to start a writing portion. And from this portion we will talk about this particular topic, notice writing. So students, let's have the introduction of notice writing. So a notice generally is a displayed sheet or a placard giving news or information. So notice है क्या वास्तव में? एक displayed sheet होती है जिसके अंदर हमें कोई information देनी होती है. It is a formal means of communication and the purpose is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. Notice writing का हमारा पर्पस क्या है कि हमें कुछ जो certain group है, कुछ लोगों का एक समूह है, उनके पास हमें कोई जानकारी पर्टिकुलरली पहुंचानी होती है. Generally, these are meant to be put up on display boards in schools or public places. तो आमतौर पर नोटिस का हम प्रयोग कहाँ करते हैं? स्कूल बोर्ड पे नोटिस पर डालने के लिए. जैसे कि आपको कोई टीचर आपका एब्सेंट है, आपने एडजस्टमेंट चेक करनी है, तो वो आपको कहाँ से पता लगेगा? नोटिस बोर्ड से पता लगेगा. नोटिस कैन ऑल्सो बी पब्लिश थ्रू न्यूज़पेपर्स. और नोटिस को सिर्फ स्कूल के नोटिस बोर्ड के लिए ही नहीं यूज किया जाता है, इनको न्यूज़पेपर्स के अंदर भी एडवर्टाइज किया जा सकता है. द इंफॉर्मेशन गिवन इन अ नोटिस कैन बी रिलेटेड टू एन इवेंट दैट इज अबाउट टू टेक प्लेस और हैज ऑलरेडी हैपेंड. तो इसके अंदर जो भी हम इंफॉर्मेशन देते हैं, या तो वो होने वाली है आने वाले समय में या फिर हो चुकी होती है. इट कैन ऑल्सो बी एन इम्पोर्टेंट गाइडलाइन और मैसेज इश्यूड इन पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट विच रिक्वायर्स अटेंशन. तो इसके लिए कुछ ऐसा भी हम प्रयोग कर सकते हैं कि जनता के हित के लिए कोई हमें मैसेज देना है, वो भी इसके अंदर हम डाल सकते हैं. सो नाउ लेट्स हैव द लुक ऑन द पॉइंट्स टू रिमेंबर व्हाइल राइटिंग नोटिस. नोटिस लिखते समय कुछ विशेष बातों का आपने ध्यान रखना है. वो पॉइंट्स हमारे कौन कौन से हैं? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, नीट एंड लेजिबल हैंड राइटिंग. आपकी जो हैंड राइटिंग है साफ होनी चाहिए और समझने योग्य होनी चाहिए. सिंपल एंड क्लियर लैंग्वेज. आप जो लैंग्वेज उसमें यूज कर रहे हैं वो बिल्कुल सिंपल होनी चाहिए, सो दैट इट कैन बी इजीली क्लियर टू द ऑडियंस और द टारगेट ग्रुप. आई कैचिंग हेडिंग. While writing the notice, your heading there should be eye-catching, so that the reader he may get the idea what about exactly notice is. Target group. जिस भी टारगेट के लिए आप जिस भी ग्रुप को आप टारगेट कर रहे हो वो क्लियर होना चाहिए, वो मेंशन होना चाहिए. पर्पस ऑफ राइटिंग नोटिस. किस पर्पस से आप लिख रहे हो? डेट, टाइम एंड वैल्यू. दे शुड बी मेंशन इन योर नोटिस. Whom to contact? If the reader or if the target group has any problem, whom they should contact, it should be clearly mentioned. Signature, name and designation. The one who is writing the notice, his signature should be there, his name and designation. Designation means rank. जिस भी पद पर वो काम कर रहा है. Suppose you are writing a notice for your school notice board and you are the head of literary club, so you have to write your signature, your name and your designation, like head boy of the literary club of school. So now we will have a look on the format of the notice writing. So students, now we are going to do one practice of notice writing, and the statement is, as Atmaram Bhide, the secretary of Gokul Dham Welfare Society, Mumbai, write a notice in about 50 words inviting all the members of the society to attend a meeting to discuss Janmashtami celebration. So now you are Atmaram Bhide and you are the secretary of the Gokul Dham Welfare Society, Mumbai. And you have to write a notice inviting all the members of the society. अपनी सोसाइटी के सभी मेंबर्स को इनवाइट करने के लिए आपने एक नोटिस लिखना है जन्माष्टमी के सेलिब्रेशन के बारे में आपने मीटिंग अटेंड करने के लिए. सो here is the solution for this. First of all, what we will do you will write the heading Gokul Dham Welfare Society, just the name of the school or the organization you have to write. Then the word notice you have to write as it is. After that, date. Suppose this is the present day, 2nd July 2020. Then we have the eye-catching heading should be there, so that it can draw the attention of the reader. Meeting will be the heading there. So then we will start writing. All the members of the society are requested to attend a meeting tomorrow. That is on 3rd July 2020 at 6 p.m. in the society's community hall to discuss about the celebrations of Janmashtami festival, which is falling on 10th July 2020. All must reach in time. So what is there in the body? First we have to write who is to attend the meeting, all the members of the society. Then you have to are requested to attend a meeting tomorrow. That is on 3rd July 2020. So here the date has been mentioned, time has been given there. In the society's community hall, venue has been mentioned here to discuss about the celebrations of the Janmashtami. Purpose is to discuss about the celebration of the Janmashtami festival, which is falling on 10th July 2020. All must reach in time. So towards the end, what we have to do, we have to put the signature A.R. Bhide. Then we have to write the name in capital letters, Atmaram Bhide. And then after that, designation of the writer of the notice within the bracket. And finally, we have to put the notice within the box. So this was all about the sample of notice writing. In our next video, we will see more practice of notice writing. Thank you very much.